This is a spirit board. This is how we'll be communicating. First, we'll both put our finger on the 10 yen coin that's on the board. Like this. Just like that. Relax your fingers as much as you can. Now for the chant. Ano ba sinabi niya? Scepter, Spectre. Spectre Mills. Ito ata Spectre. Spirit board. Spectre of the spirit board. Hindi. Please come to me. Please come this way. Come on over. Ang taray, come on over. Come on over. Come on over, baby. Christina Aguilera yarn. Please visit us. Oh, Diyos ko. Good. Please tell us if you are there. Oh my God! It's moving! Kinikilabutan ako!